Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ENERMAX ENERPAZO EP237 mini tower PC case. So friend, this new offering provides efficient cooling support and expandability. It is compatible with an ATX motherboard and allow for the installation of an AIO cooler with a radiator measuring up to 360 mm in length and 38 mm in thickness. So friend, it comes equipped with one ARGB fan, 7 reusable PCIe slots and magnetic transparent full view tempered glass side panel equipped with the convenient handle pull ring for easy access, and these features make the ENERPAZO EP237 an ideal computer case for PC DIY newcomers. And friend, it is a mini tower case with the dimensions of 410 mm, and friend, it supports a 360 mm AIO CPU cooler with a 38 mm thick radiator and up to 8 fans, including one pre-installed ARGB fan for an enhanced airflow. And friend, it can accommodate ATX motherboard and up to 4 drive installation, along with 7 reusable PCIe slots for extended customization. Its features include handle pull ring on the magnetic transparent tempered glass side panel, and the ENERMAX cable type for organized cable management, and touch feeder on the top panel of the maintenance case. And friend, it supports graphics card up to 365 mm in length and air cooler up to 162 mm in height, and ensuring compatibility with a wide range of components. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.